The persistent beeping from your Maytag Neptune dryer is usually a signal indicating a problem. It's a safety mechanism designed to alert you to potential issues that could prevent the dryer from operating correctly or even pose a safety risk. The most common culprits are a faulty door switch, an error alert triggered by a sensor, or a control board malfunction. The door switch is a critical safety component in your Maytag Neptune dryer. It ensures the dryer only operates when the door is securely closed. If the switch is broken or malfunctioning, the dryer thinks the door is open. This causes continuous beeping to prevent unsafe operation. The part number is 33001783. Maytag Neptune dryers communicate problems through specific beeping patterns or LED error codes displayed on the control panel. These codes are programmed into the control board and serve as safety alerts to help you identify issues. Common error codes appear as letters and numbers on the display. For example, an F1 code typically indicates a motor problem, while F2 points to a moisture sensor fault. Other common codes include F3 for temperature sensor issues or F4 for water valve problems. Each code corresponds to a specific component that needs attention. To understand what a specific code means, consult your dryer's manual or search online for your model number. These codes help you troubleshoot before calling a technician. Before attempting more complex repairs, start with a simple control reset. Unplug your Maytag Neptune dryer from the power outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the control board to fully reset and clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the beeping. After unplugging, wait at least 5 minutes, but up to 10 minutes is recommended to ensure the control board completely resets. Plug the dryer back into the outlet and start a drying cycle to test if the beeping issue has been resolved. If the beeping persists despite resets, a faulty door switch may be the cause. Here's a step-by-step guide to replace it yourself safely. First, ensure safety by disconnecting the power. Unplug the dryer from the electrical outlet to prevent any risk of electric shock during the repair. Next, locate the door switch. It's typically found near the door latch mechanism on the front panel of the dryer. The switch ensures the door is securely closed before operation. Remove the old switch by disconnecting any wires and unscrewing it from its mounting. Take note of the wire connections for proper reinstallation. Install the new door switch by connecting the wires in the same configuration and securing it in place. Use a compatible replacement part for your Neptune model. Finally, reconnect the power and test the dryer. Plug it back in, close the door, and run a short cycle to verify the beeping has stopped and the dryer functions normally. Many Neptune owners successfully perform this repair, saving money on professional service. If you're uncomfortable with electrical work, consult a qualified technician. If the simple reset doesn't resolve the beeping issue, you may need an advanced control board reset. This involves accessing the dryer's control panel and performing a specific sequence of button presses. First, locate and open the control panel carefully. The control panel is usually at the top of the dryer and may require removing screws or clips. Once accessed, follow the button sequence for your model. Common sequences include holding the reset button while pressing start or other combinations. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a beep confirmation. The control board part number is typically 33002244. If the advanced reset fails, the board may need replacement. Always consult your dryer's manual or search online for model-specific instructions. Prioritize electrical safety and consider professional help if unsure. If you're uncomfortable working with electrical components, or if the beeping problem persists after trying the previous fixes, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. Electrical repairs on appliances like your Maytag Neptune dryer can be hazardous. Working with live circuits, capacitors, or wiring without proper knowledge increases the risk of electric shock, burns, or even fire. Always unplug the dryer before any repair attempt and avoid working in wet areas. If an electrical incident occurs, know basic first aid procedures like ensuring the area is safe and calling emergency services immediately. Professional technicians have the tools, knowledge, and certification to safely diagnose and repair electrical issues in your dryer. They can identify problems that might not be obvious and ensure the repair meets safety standards. Prevention is key. Implement safety procedures like using proper insulation, wearing protective gear, and never bypassing safety mechanisms. If in doubt, always consult a professional to prevent accidents. While repairing your Neptune can extend its life by several years, consider that newer dryers offer enhanced energy efficiency and modern features. If repairs become frequent or costly, it's time to explore upgrading to a more current model. Additionally, be aware of counterfeit parts, which can increase failure rates by 20%, so always use verified sources.